All right, happy homeowners. It's been 2 hours since we got started. The view hasn't changed, but you can hear them in there working. Let's go in and see how much they got done. Look at that dude. So he's sanding the edges right now. We've got the center halfway done, and you can see the pet stains that are not going to be removed. So we will sand that another 3 or 4 grades of paper. Those pet stains will still be there. It'll just be a lot better. And we're gonna come up with a stain color that will hide them, and you'll see that in the next video. All right, guys, enjoy it.